Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled to clean those hard-to-reach spots between your teeth, especially around braces or dental appliances? We all know that plaque buildup can be a hassle, and traditional flossing might not always cut it. But what if there was a simpler, more effective way to get the job done? Well, today, we're diving into a product that promises to help you do just that. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, extra wide interdental brushes. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an honest, in-depth review right here on Beautyistic. Let's talk about the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens. This little tool is designed to help remove plaque and debris from between your teeth, offering a deeper clean that regular brushing or even flossing might miss. The extra wide design of these interdental brushes makes it perfect for those with narrow or tight dental spaces or anyone who wears braces, implants, or other dental devices. These brushes feature soft bristles that glide between teeth and clean gently without causing discomfort, making them a solid alternative to floss for plaque removal. Now, how do these perform in the real world? I put these interdental brushes to the test, and I'll start by saying that incorporating them into my routine was incredibly easy. They come with a protective travel cap, so they're perfect to toss in your purse or travel bag. The nylon-coated wire is gentle, yet firm enough to clean effectively, even around braces. And the hygienic bristles are treated to stay clean for up to 10 uses, which is fantastic for convenience and longevity. Using them was surprisingly comfortable. I felt like I could easily slide them between my teeth, and they reached areas where traditional floss didn't always do the job, especially when it comes to cleaning around dental appliances. The bristles are soft, which means no scraping or discomfort, but they still manage to clean effectively. That's a win in my book. But like any product, there are a couple of things worth considering. While I loved how well these brushes worked for my teeth, I did find that the extra wide design might not be for everyone, especially if you have more spaced out teeth or prefer a more delicate approach. For users with tighter spaces, a different size might be more appropriate. Also, while the brushes are reusable, it's important to keep track of how many times you've used them, as overuse might compromise their performance. Now onto the price. These come in a pack of 4, so you're getting 40 total picks in the set. For the quality and convenience they provide, I'd say they offer good value for the money, especially for those with braces or dental devices who need a tool like this for maintaining their oral hygiene. It's definitely a high-quality solution for between-teeth cleaning, but there are more affordable options out there. So if you're just looking for a general dental tool, other brands may offer similar products at a lower price point. When comparing these to other interdental brushes on the market, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens definitely stand out for their durability, gentle cleaning action, and the added convenience of being able to carry them on the go. There are cheaper brushes, but the extra wide design and travel-friendly packaging set these apart, especially for those with dental appliances. As for build quality, these brushes are well constructed. The nylon-coated wire and soft bristles make them feel sturdy, but not harsh. They're also easy to clean and store, thanks to the protective cap, which I find really helpful for keeping the bristles hygienic. In terms of longevity, the brushes are reusable for up to 10 days, but they do eventually lose some effectiveness after repeated use. That's to be expected though, so just be mindful to replace them as needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on these, the link is in the comments. Customer support with GUM has been solid, as I've found the brand responsive in handling inquiries. However, since I haven't personally needed to contact them for any issues with this specific product, I'd say their general reputation for customer care is reliable. If you're in the market for an interdental brush, but this one doesn't quite meet your needs, there are a few cheaper alternatives available. For example, brands like Oral-B and Colgate offer similar products, often at a more budget-friendly price. If you don't have braces or dental appliances and just need a basic interdental cleaner, these might suit your needs just as well. So, to wrap things up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a high-quality, effective tool for cleaning between teeth, particularly for those with dental appliances or tight dental spaces. They're easy to use, gentle, and convenient. However, if you don't need the extra wide design or prefer something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that could work just as well. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you've tried the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, drop a comment below and let me know how they worked for you. If you haven't, would you give them a try? The link to purchase is in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.